This is quite a simple lock. This particular one is called a night latch. Now I'm going to take it apart and just see how it works. First of all, this is the part that you normally fix to the door itself to secure it there. Now I'm taking the 2 screws out, or bolts, and we're just going to see what's inside. Now if you look carefully, on the left hand side there's the latch bolt. The left middle, that's the part that goes in and out. Now on the right hand side, that's called a turn knob, or just a knob really, and that then pulls the latch bolt in. Now there's a spring on the left hand side here. Now be very careful, this is a very important part of the mechanism, and don't do what I've done a couple of times, and that is for it to ping out, which I've just done now. Lucky enough I will find it. Now there's the spring there. I'm going to show you in more detail what it looks like. That is the important part, and so make sure that when you put it back in, to put it around the right way, otherwise it simply won't work properly. So there it is there. Now I'm going to take the latch bolt out. This part can be easily damaged. If you're banging at a door, pushing the door heavily, then the bolt can actually just literally bend out. And so this one was originally bent. I've now bent it back into its original place. Now we have here, they call it a snip. Basically, you can lock the door from the inside. This is the mechanism. As you can see, it's quite a simple system. Now what I'm going to now do is put it back together. So I'm going to put the latch bolt back in. Just line it up, make sure it's pushed down. The whole mechanism will hold it in place. It is quite fragile while it's without the back on. Next is to put the spring in, make sure it's in the correct place. So push it down to make sure it's in the right place, and then clip it onto the bolt latch, as you can see. And make sure that it is in the right place, that fits to the latch bolt. Now put the back on, screw it back in. Now it's quite straightforward to check to see if it works. Probably best to put it together before you test it. And that's it. Now just going to put the back on and we're done. So thank you for watching, and if you did get value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe.